Hi all, in this video I will show you my solution to CS50 Python's problem called Vanity plates from problem set 2. So in this program we already have a main function written for us, and we need to only write function called isValid. Basically this function is to check if a license plate is valid or not. And so we need to write a program which checks for the rules for the plates. So rules are: all plates must start with at least 2 letters, plates must have maximum of 6 and minimum of 2 characters, numbers cannot be used in the middle of the plate, so they must come at the end, and also the first number cannot be 0. And there are no period, spaces or punctuation marks, so only alphanumeric. Okay, let's do this. So this is structure we got. So we'll do it like this. Firstly, let's define variable called numbers used. So this we will use later to check about the positioning of numbers. Let's set it to false first. Then let's check the length. So length of s, if length of s is lower than 2 or length of s is larger than 6, then we want to return false, so that is invalid. Then if not s is al-num, so if it is not alphanumerical, we also want to return false, so only letters and numbers are allowed. Next we want to check if the first 2 characters are letters, so if not s index 0 is alpha, which means letter, and s index 1 is alpha, then also return false. Okay, now let's check this number positioning and stuff. So for every character in s we want to check it. So if character is digit, meaning it's number, if it is a digit, then let's check if numbers used is false. So this means if it is a first number, then let's check if that character is 0. Then we return false. This means first character cannot be 0. Besides this, if it is a digit, let's set numbers used to true. And now else, which means character is not a digit, which means it's a letter. If numbers used equals true, we can write it like this, shortened, then we return false. This means if a number is already used, we cannot have a letter after a number is already used. Okay, so this is my final function. Let's quickly explain it again. So if length is not correct, we return false. If it is not alphanumerical, return false. If first 2 characters are not letters, return false. Then if it is a number and it's a first number and it's a 0, return false. Also, if it is a number, we switch this toggle, let's say, to true. We set numbers used variable to true because numbers are used now. and we use this in this check, because if C is not a digit but it's else, meaning it's a letter, and numbers are used, we return false. So yeah, I'm missing actually return true at the end. So yeah, return true. So if we don't hit any of these, we return true in the end. So let's see if this works. So this is my function, and yeah, let's check it now. We will check these exact examples here. So firstly, plate is CS50, that should be valid, it is. Then let's do CS05, this should be invalid as first number is 0 and it is invalid. Then CS50P, this should also be invalid because we use letter after we used a number. Then do 3.14, this is invalid, and it is because it uses dot. That is not allowed. Now let's do age, this is too short, which is also invalid. And check it, this is too long, it's also invalid. So yeah, it seems to work. So thanks for watching everyone, and bye.